Hi guys, in a recent video I showed you I'd picked this car up in a charity shop, 50 pence I think it was. I did mention I've got rather a lot of them already. I do like them, they're air engine powered. If we just come up here, I do have quite a few different models, different types. In fact, I've got a couple more upstairs that aren't or weren't in the box, but this will do for now. So these are all air powered, and when I buy a new one I usually get the others out just to demonstrate them. So that's probably what we'll do. We'll have a little look. Right, the way they work is you pump them up and you flick them or push them to get the motor started. Once it's running, it keeps running till the air's run out, or till the pressure's run down anyway. So if I just stick that in there, okay, let's just try another one at random. I'm not sure if that's the right pump actually. As long as it fits in there, it should be alright. So one thing to remember is when you have run it, like that one, you do need to give it an extra flick to make sure there's no pressure left in there, otherwise it might eventually start leaking. That sounded a bit more impressive, didn't it? These ones have got an inbuilt pump. That didn't go very well. Try that again. This is one I've had to mend anyway, that's why it's got all glue around it. No, that's not very impressive, that one. How about that one? Okay. There's the air going that one at the back there. In the instructions it would tell you how many pumps to give it. Obviously more than that. I've got one of these. They're usually fairly cheap, 99 pence. It's a bit weak. It's a bit tighter. Oh, came out though. That one's going all right. This one didn't have tyres on it, so I got tyres on it from something else. Yeah, I'd probably put more pressure in that. This one is the same as these ones. It's the same motor, made by Lanard. So we'll give this one a try, actually a run, because that's the one we've just bought. Just check I haven't left any of those pumped up. General idea is just give them a little flick so they get going. And sometimes they don't start like that, and then they go. Oh, we'll have a go with a couple of others while we're at it. Spun out of control. Yeah, you get the general idea. I will just give that one a try. I think that's got a leak. It would have done alright if he hadn't crashed. Yeah, so there you go, that's my air engine powered cars. I have quite a collection. As I say, there's a couple more upstairs. And I do have an air engine powered aeroplane as well. It's not very good, but it does fly just about. So check out the video description for the links to the air engine powered vehicles. And like I said, when you've finished with them, make sure there's no air left in them. Because otherwise they'll develop leaks. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.